Shannon, what do you got?
We just got some mail that came from Turkey, it looks like. Doing an unboxing. Oh, it looks like there's 3 different ritual books.
From the Grand Lodge of Turkey.
From the Grand Lodge of Turkey.
A month or so ago, we had a couple of brothers stop into the museum from the Grand Lodge of Turkey. They said they were going to send these items to us from their Grand Lodge in Turkey. What else we got in there?
We have, oh, it looks like some pins.
Let me get in close on that and take a look.
Yeah. And then something
Turkish Lodge pins.
And we have something that has tassels on it that is in cardboard. Should have had scissors. All right.
Want to borrow my jackknife?
I got it.
Oh, that is awesome.
That is very, what is it?
This appears to be some kind of lodge banner, probably for a specific lodge.
It's the same symbol that's on all of these pins too.
It's actually from Izmir. So Izmir, I apologize if I'm mispronouncing that. So that's, the brothers were from, one was from Istanbul and one was from Izmir. So I'm thinking this is from the brothers' lodge in Izmir. Thanks, brothers. We love getting this stuff. We're going to add this to our international section.
Woo!
All right.